So, friends, whether you are renovating your existing bathroom or building a new one, it's essential to choose the tiles that best fit your style and taste and match the ambience of your home. But apart from the style and ambience, there are the many essential factors that you should consider before buying the tiles for bathroom walls. So, in this video, we will discuss about those factors which I have listed the essential things you should remember before choosing the tiles for your bathroom wall. First one is the consider your bathroom style. The first and the foremost thing you should do is decide on your bathroom style. Before looking over the styles, consider what bathroom style you want. There are the countless styles available to decorate you the bathroom. You must decide if you want a simple and minimalist bathroom or one with unique geometric patterns that add a statement to your bathroom. You can also go for a decorative tiles to offer your bathroom and a modern bold look. Second important point is to decide the size of your wall tiles. Considering the right size of tiles for bathroom walls is essential as you want your bathroom to look perfect. So the size of the tiles depend on the size of your bathroom. If you have a small bathroom, considering installing the larger tiles to make your bathroom look bigger. But however, large tiles are difficult to install and they're too on walls. On the other hand, smaller tiles give a streamlined look but need more grouting and cuttings. And the third important point is set your budget. You want your bathroom to look good by installing quality materials, but at the same time, you don't want to spend lots of money. So it is important to set your budget first. This will allow you to have a clarity on your spending and you won't regret missing out on tiles that are out of your budget. Calculate the number of tiles. Once you finalize your tiles budget, size and style, you should decide the number of tiles you need for your bathroom wall. Find the total square footage of your bathroom wall so you can quickly determine how many tiles you need. Fifth point is to avoid too much mix and match. If you want to mix and match the tiles to create a unique and colorful look for your bathroom, you should avoid using more than 3 different tiles. Using more 3 different tiles make your bathroom look busy. You should always considering floor tiles first and in contrast choose the tiles for bathroom walls. So if you use marble interflooring for your bathroom, consider using wall tiles matching your marble floor. Moreover, if you want to create an accent or feature wall, considering choosing your feature tiles, make sure your feature or accent wall looks elegant as it will create the focal point on your bathroom. Sixth important point is to don't forget to consider the maintenance. This is the most important thing to consider before buying tiles for your bathroom walls. Many homeowners tend to ignore this important factor, which often turns to be a big mistake. They go for a cheaper option and end up ruining the look of your bathroom. So, here's a small piece of advice for all the owners. Prefer the one that require little to no maintenance. If they are slightly out of your budget, don't run after cheaper alternatives. They will only ruin the look and feel of your bathroom. And the most important part is look for the durability. Seventh point is the durability. Durability is another important factor to consider when choosing the tiles for bathroom walls. So they must be able to last longer than the cheaper options. Don't go for the tiles that last only a couple of years. Prefer the one that lasts for decades and require little to no maintenance. Ceramic and stone tiles are considered to be among the most durable options. Another point is don't underestimate the look of grout. Many owners don't consider grout as an essential factor, but they are. So when you consider installing tiles for bathroom walls, keep in mind that grout also plays an essential role on improving the overall aesthetics of your bathroom. Wider grout lines might look good